Okay guys, take Moon. Give all the tablets. Let's throw the game and disband the guild.
Oh my god, this lag, what the fuck?
So lag. If you have Oblivion, drop Oblivion. Okay. 2 tablets lock.
Shit.
Push them out.
Wala yatang tao sa
19,
tayo.
15, we can take star.
Wala yatang tao.
Oo nga, no?
Dami pa rin sayang siya.
Don't be complacent guys. Even if we have the edge.
Oh, malakas din. Always. Ano si Aimo? Hindi ka mamatay.
This is Gulaman's mother guild, so...
Expect Gulaman to try their ass.
Gulaman
Pinabahan ni Gulaman agad eh. Siya ay mukha eh.
Ang ina, ba't ako pinapalo ni Gulaman? Grabe naman yung loyalty ng Sayam.
Nakakangalay paluin si Aimo.
Wait for Sun to change color and then we can all rally there. Don't go in just yet. Wait for the change color. Okay. Go Sun, go Sun.
Go.
That's beauty, so.
Throw bodies. Outnumber them. Throw bodies inside the tablet. Good job. Unlock. Moon will be vulnerable in 10 seconds. Not sure. Put them out. Oh shit, I'm a meteor. Why meteor?
Ang daming up. Kapala.
I'm maybe dead. Hold tablet guys. Try not to come.
Natunat pala to si Aimo.
Saan tayo mag-guard?
700k na yata yun si Aimo ko eh.
Ang ina mo sa champion ulit.
Bakit? Sila ba kinakausap ko?
The Raymond.
Try si Aimo.
Let them change color, Sun. Get out. Get live in. Moon parties, can we go to Sun?
Oh,
Throw bodies inside tablet. Outnumber them.
Ganda.
Lock the tablet. Then wait for the next opening of the tablet. Watch out for star.
Yun yung party ko. Okay.
Try not to camp their smoke. Yo, lagi ako yung pinakapasagan ng acid down. Let them change color, Sun, and then retake. Get out. Okay guys, retake Sun, Moon teams. Oh shit, we did not change color.
Crolio. Di ba dito to galing si Crolio?
Try not to overchase into their spawn. Stick close to tablet, just outside the border.
15
Chase, don't
seconds.
chase.
10 seconds.
Mobs, position for mobs, 10 seconds.
Bounce.
Let's start change color and then retake.
Change color
Go,
na.
go. Doesn't have to be everyone. We can outnumber you. Camping, tendency. But camping. Very nice. MTY did. Maintain the tablets, respond to wherever they're trying to regroup.
Ay, dumapa.
Don't overtake. They're invulnerable for seconds.
Ano ginagawa ni Bianca dun?
Saan?
Sa sap ng Siam.
Andun si Bianca.
Oo.
Oh, lumipat yan last week pa.
Sino ba may gamit ng Bianca? They're regrouping on Sun. Careful.
UIC.
Hindi nakakasal, hindi nakakasal.
Let them change color. You can get faster points. Ewan ba ko Taas ka ba?
Bench.
Let them change color.
Low.
Ano, dito na tayo sa gilid MTYC. Bench pa sa mga sa akin. Ako na mag-attack sa'yo.
Sige. Depend ko kasi ito.
Yan ulit. Sige mo, sige. Yung star.
Bigay niyo yung sun.
Ay, yung sun. Bigyan mo, sige.
Ako lang
Sun,
mag-isa dito.
never mind.
Okay.
Sun is locked.
No, nakalock na.
Oh no, stop. MTYC trying to take Sun. Down.
I hate all
Ano
of you.
oras
What the
ang
heck?
OB?
It just got here.
All we need is 2 tablets secured. Let them get any tablet.
We have 3 tablets.
Bigay niyo na yung star.
It's just secure sun and moon. Have the star tablet.
Let them have hope.
10 minutes, 30 seconds. Everyone gather to abandon tablet.
Wala yan.
Tagal pa.
Kahit ano, 20. Para mag-ano sila doon, nakikita sila. And then, have the start.
What is this lag?
Ay, mukso na.
Let them have the sun.
Sun.
Let them have sun. Let them have sun.
Ay,
30
tinapakan
seconds
ko.
movie.
Nakita ko si Glitzo tumapak sa sun.
Ay, puta. Kick. Not following order. Ay, hindi. Good. Not following order. Very good.
Si Corby nakahiga na lang dito sa OP.
Go OB, guys. Go OB, gather OB. Give them any points. They're taking our castle before.
Oh, yes. Let's bully them. Let's go. Take OB. Oh, kinukuha yung sun. I will get the sun. No. I won't give them the sun. They're getting our castle. We were small kids.
Ganti ng api ba? Ganti ng api.
Bully them. Yes.
They're taking our castle every Sunday.
Okay. Oh, I get mood. get mood. Okay, Biba.
Yes, easy. We need
Oh,
Thank you.
look! Giga Jabon and Tiny Jabon on top. Very Jabon.
Wow. Wow.
GG, GG, thank you.
You guys, thank you.